If your Firestick keeps running out of space, don't worry. This guide will show you exactly how to free it up and get things running smoothly again. Before we start, there's a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Let's start with the basics. First, uninstall any apps you're no longer using. Head into Settings, then go to Applications. From there, go to Manage Installed Applications, scroll through your list, and get rid of the ones you haven't opened in a while. Clear the cache and data before uninstalling. This helps you reclaim even more space. Next, for the apps you plan to keep, clear their cache. Cached data builds up fast and eats storage. You'll find the option to clear cache right in the same menu under each app. Now for the final step. Delete any old APK files left behind after sideloading apps. Use a free file manager like Explore File Manager to find and remove these from the Downloads folder and other areas. And here's where NordVPN can really help. Some Firestick users deal with app restrictions, buffering, or geo-blocked content. NordVPN not only unlocks content from around the world, it can also help avoid throttling from your ISP and improve streaming stability. Just install the NordVPN app right on your Firestick and connect with one click. If you're interested, check the link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price.